Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. If you have ever struggled with finding the perfect product to sell or grow your business, then this video is just for you. We are going to dive deep into the world of Google Trends and show you how to use it to your advantage. But first, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Did you know that using Google Trends could be the secret weapon you need to skyrocket your online business? Forget the guesswork and start making data-driven decisions that will set you apart from your competition. So keep watching, because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with actionable tips to conquer the e-commerce world. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me share a story that might resonate with some of you. So meet Sarah, a talented online entrepreneur like yourself. She owns a successful Etsy store selling handcrafted jewelry. However, recently she has been struggling to identify what her customers truly want, and their sales have plateaued. Frustrated, she spends countless hours scrolling through social medias and reading random blogs, hoping to find the next big trend. But that's where Google Trends come in, and Sarah's world changes completely. She discovers the power of using real-time search data to uncover emerging trends and customer interest. Sarah refocuses her efforts, and soon enough, she is riding the wave of popularity and a newly designed line of boho-inspired jewelry. She's back in the game and the business is booming. Google Trends is a fantastic free tool that shows you how frequently a search term is entered into Google over time. It provides valuable insights into what's trending, which can give you a competitive edge and help you make informed decisions of your business. So use Google Trends to identify which products are in high demand. By comparing search volumes, you can spot rising trends easily. You can spot rising trends early on and pivot your offerings accordingly. So you have to learn to anticipate seasonal spikes in interest of your products related to your niche. So Google Trends will help you plan ahead and prepare for peak seasons, so you never miss out on potential sales. If you're wondering if your products will do well in a particular area, Google Trends lets you explore regional interest and preferences, so you can tailor your marketing strategies to specific locations. So you can enhance your SEO strategy by discovering relevant keywords with high search volumes. By optimizing your content to these keywords, you will attract more organic traffic to your online store. Ladies and gentlemen, take a leap into the world of Google Trends and unleash its potential for your online business. Whether you are a newbie or experienced entrepreneur, the data-driven approach offered by Google Trends will take you to new levels. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you used Google Trends before, or are you excited to try it out now? Let's spark a discussion and support each other on this amazing journey of entrepreneurship. And remember, subscribe and ring that notification bell so that you stay updated with our latest content. So thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep hustling, and I will see you soon with more exciting tips and tricks for your online business. Stay fabulous. Goodbye.